South Africa's vaccination drive may be picking up steam, but public centres administering the life-saving jabs remain closed this weekend. This is not the case, though, for a new private vaccination centre that opened its doors this week in Midrand. The Discovery Vaccination Site at the Gallagher Estate is open from 8 a.m. until 6 p.m. 7 days a week. The facility has the capacity to deliver 4,000 vaccines daily. Nickolaus Bauer has the story.
South Africa may have begun preparations to vaccinate people above the age of 50. But don't think all the elderly and vulnerable above this age group have received their jabs.
There was 2 nurses going around, took our names. They say they will come and fetch us to the clinic, but we were still waiting till today for them.
How long ago was that?
I think it's 2 months ago.
Are you worried about taking a vaccine, or do you want a vaccine?
I do want it. I'm not a...
These activists are determined to leave nobody behind, searching the streets of this township near Walkerville for anyone eligible for a vaccine.
We're collecting a database of elderly people between the ages of 50 and above to be vaccinated. So what we do is that we are planning to help them with transportation, because we realize that most of them, they don't go in, walk into the hospitals because they don't have transport from where they live, and it's far. The vaccination centers from where they are far. I can't say a lot, but there's a number of them who are worried, who've said that they are worried about the side effects of the vaccine.
With all the public vaccination centers closed this weekend, the government's plan to ramp up the vaccination rate to 300,000 doses a day seems like a pipe dream. But this new private vaccination center that opened this week may help. The Discovery Vaccination Site in Midrand will serve any person with medical aid, provided they've registered on the government's database, booked an appointment, and are above the age of 50.
I would say close to about 3,800 people so far over the last couple of days. It is a little bit slower than we would like it, but on Monday and Tuesday we did do sort of a soft run instead of having our full capacity coming through.
For those getting their jabs this weekend, the process at least was painless.
Apprehensive and scared, but it's got to be done.
I'm anxious, very excited about getting vaccinated. I think it's the right thing to do.
Oh, it's the start of the end of this madness, I hope. And the process is quick and easy, so why not?
Although over 3 million vaccine doses have already been administered, less than 500,000 people in South Africa are fully vaccinated. Less than 1% of the entire population.
The need for speed. The longer South Africa does not reach herd immunity through mass immunizations, the greater the chance there will be a deadly 4th or maybe even 5th wave of the coronavirus in this country. But with the opening of this centre this week, it may be an indication that government is prepared to start leveraging off of private sector healthcare capacity in defeating this lethal virus. For Newsroom Africa, Channel 405, I'm Nickolaus Bauer in Midrand.